Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a signature in Google Forms. Now the first thing you need to do is come here, click on these three dots, click on more basically, okay? And then I want you to click on get add-ons, right? And we will be in this marketplace. This is the Google Workspace marketplace. And here you can search for signature, okay? Search for signature. I'll show you which one to get. So search this up, press enter. I want you to go ahead and get this one right here. Okay, as you can see, over 4 million people have used this. I've used it personally. It works great. Click on install and click on continue. It will ask you for some permissions in this pop-up. Just go ahead and give it the necessary permissions. Just choose your Google account. Okay, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here. Click on continue. And now we need to give the necessary permissions. Just scroll down and click on allow. And after this, you'll see that it has been installed. It will just take about 2-3 seconds. And there you go. It has been installed. I can go ahead and close this. Now, what I need you to do in your form is this. First, we need responses, okay? So come click on responses. We need to link this to Sheets. And I'll explain to you why later on in this video. First, click here on link to Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet. There you go. Click on create. And there we go. It has been linked to Sheets and it will open a new pop-up. There we go. This is a new tab. And what we need to do now, once we have the Sheets, is just come here and click on add-ons. Okay. As you can see, we have the signature add-on. So go ahead and click on this now. Then click on open. And then you just have to wait a little bit here on the right-hand side. You will see the add-on opening up. And we'll see a bunch of different options available for us. Now I just want you to go and click on sync form right here, and it will begin syncing. Okay, just go ahead and click on that. Now we need to go ahead and click on a take signature. Okay, so there we go. We'll go ahead and click on that. It'll open up a new tab, as you can see. And if I scroll down, we should have place to put in our signatures, as you can see right here, and they will be able to add their signature and submit it. So basically, you can type in, say, William, okay, do that signature and submit it, okay, the form just like you would normally. So that is how it works. Make sure you send this link, okay, copy this link here. Don't copy the link from a docs. And once someone submits the form, you should get all the responses. You just need to come here, click on see responses, okay? And if you don't set up a spreadsheet first, you'll get an error. So as you can see right here, I did the necessary, response. Okay, this is just a test one, and you can see their signature as well. And it's really that easy and simple.